How do you connect to the voice of your soul? There's this feeling inside of us. There's this whisper of things told to us that nobody else can ever hear. There is this feeling inside of us. There's this whisper talking to us. When you want to talk to other people about it, you mostly tend to say, I know it doesn't make sense, but I feel like I want to do this or I want to do this. I know it doesn't make sense, but I feel like, where does it come from? We are brought up in a society that is actually the opposite. Rationalizing everything we do. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? But things coming from the voice of our soul tend to not make sense in the first place. Listen to that voice. This is actually the voice of your soul. There's this whisper talking to us that nobody else can hear. But if you truly want to live the life according to your voice of the soul, the voice of the soul, then that's what you need to be listening to. And you will be living a life to your personal freedom. Ciao!
双双游远去，